Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So before updating the Gann level retracements, we had 54.49 spiking just below that, actually stopping at this 55.65 level right here. Retracing a bit, coming back down, hitting 54.49, now moving back up. So let's update the Gann levels. Not that one. Okay, maybe I'll get them. There we go. And I can also update these levels now lower since they were hit. All right, returning just above the 25% retracement. That's a very key retracement to watch. If we rally back up, going to be watching for key resistance around 5770 to 5800. And if we get through there, 5875 is the next level, then 6023. Those are all based off the 4-hour retracement levels and the rotation zone. Coming down lower, if we break below 54.32, by the way, we did have a divergence here. See, lower low in price action, higher low in RSI. Doesn't mean the move is over, just means it might be running out of a little steam, so we might move sideways or get the slightly bigger retracement at this point. That's what I'm watching for. This was a super aggressive entry, but then you have to manage the trade. It's not one you want to walk away from and turn into an investment because it's still showing a fair amount of weakness. Now, we get down below this 54.32, 52.84. Then we have this sort of large cluster between 51.36 and 51.96 that we'll have to fine tune on the next push lower. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, we're pretty far away from the rotation zone also. See, the rotation zone is all the way up here at the 62.5% retracement level, which is also very key support. If we had a major strong rally, that would be the level to watch for, 61.71. I'm going to keep watching as this rotation zone comes down, especially to these lower levels, especially around 6,000 if we do rally. We don't have a divergence or anything yet on the daily chart, so if you are doing any dip buying, it is aggressive, and I would keep raising your stops on any rally. Taking a look at Ethereum, one of our next levels down was this 172. And let's see, we came down to 171.47 before rallying back up, and we had a Gann cluster right at this 184, the new 25% retracement and an old Gann level, and a declining 8. Coming up there, just shy of it, and then rotating back down. Next key support is 178. And then if we drop below there, I'd be watching for a 171.47 retest at this point. I'm going to update this to this major spike low. We also had a divergence here. You see here, higher low in RSI, lower low in price action. So let's see if this holds again. Same holds true for Bitcoin. Very aggressive entry here, but you're going against the rotation zone, so it's rapidly moving up your stop and then taking quick profits. If we do rally through 184, we'll be watching for 191 to 195, this key area in here. See, there's a little spike support down here turning into resistance, and we have the 37.5% retracement. If we get down to this 171, going to be watching for, let's see, we have some major support back here from the lows back on the 12th of September, coming in at, what is that, 167. The next Gann projection down there is 165, so 165 to 167. Next key level, if we plummet through there, 158 lower. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart. So you can see these levels are all complete. I can take them off. Daily chart, looking at the rotation zone on a stronger rally, be watching for a return to about 197 to 198. So that we have prior support becoming resistance and the hooking over rotation zone and the 50% retracement. So that's what I watch for on a stronger rally based off the daily chart. So that's about it. Just these are very aggressive divergence entries based off the 4-hour, which I would not recommend for most people because you really have to manage the trade. It's not a long-term trade. Now, if we get some major divergences on the next push down on a daily chart, that could be a safer entry for a lot of people. And any rally, we have the rotation zones against us on the 4-hour and the daily. So anybody looking to short those will be shorting into the rotation zones with a rotation back down. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.